Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the accumulation distribution indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Before we get into testing today's indicator, I wanted to put up the indicator scoreboard. So to date, we have tested 19 indicators, and out of those 19 indicators, 7 of them have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss threshold that we are looking for. One of those indicators actually achieving an 85% win rate. That is a very respectable win rate when it comes to a single indicator. As we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 7 indicators and start profitably trading the market now. But stick with us here as we work to maximize your profits. So let's get on to testing today's indicator. So as I said, the indicator today is the accumulation distribution indicator. It is typically a single line indicator. It doesn't necessarily have a zero line, so it's not really a zero line cross indicator. So something that I will often do with indicators that I haven't done a whole lot on this channel yet is to add other indicators to an existing indicator. So in this case, I have added a moving average, just a regular moving average. It's not an exponential. It's not any of the special moving average like the VWAP or anything like that. It's just a regular everyday moving average. It is set on a 14 period, and I have added it, like I said, to the accumulation distribution indicator itself. And what this will do is it will create a 2-line cross out of a single lined indicator. And that is how we will be testing this indicator today. And so obviously you have the faster line, which would be the accumulation distribution, and the slower line, which would be our standard moving average. And so when the accumulation distribution line crosses up above the moving average, that is a buy signal. When it crosses below the moving average, that is a sell signal. So now that we know what we're doing and how we're doing it, of course we are on a random pair. We have the take profit and stop loss designated by the ATR, as I've explained in previous videos. And we are testing just a random year. It's going to be 2018. So let's get on with the testing, see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, we had our first cross right there. It does look like it gave us a win. So we are on right track, but then quickly took a loss. So started on the right track and took off down the wrong way. There is a win on that one. And I can already see that this one is going to bounce us around quite a bit. A lot of in and outs. So we might have a overtrader on our hands here. See, it does look like that definitely crossed below. So as you can see, like I said, this is bouncing us around quite a bit. It is definitely showing all the signs of an overtrading indicator. It's whipping us around quite a bit. It's whipping us around quite a bit and throwing some really random signals at us. We will not give up on it yet, though. It has given us a few good signals here. That definitely would have been a good one right there. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be catching the good moves in any kind of a timely manner. And it appears to be just bouncing around a whole lot. Gave us a pretty good signal on that one also. But like I've said before, even though it catches a good signal every now and then, does not mean that it can be a profitable indicator. Once again, even a blind dog can find a bone every now and then. And see, it's moments like this right here that just will eat you up. You cannot have loss after loss after loss after loss just being pinballed back and forth and back and forth. I mean, these may not be huge losses, which most of them aren't, because you're entering and then exiting rather quickly. And so in that aspect, it is, not horrible, but mentally, it is extremely draining. You have to understand that trading is a mental game, and it wears on your mentality to take loss after loss after loss after loss after loss on top of each other. It really just starts to plant the seed of doubt when it comes to your trading system. It gets to the point to where you start really questioning whether or not this is something you want to do. You start to question, just everything about trading when you get so many losses in a row like this, because it is hard to imagine having, it's hard to imagine a trade going good for you when you are taking loss after loss after loss. And so no trading system will be 100%. You will not find a trading system that gives you a 100% win rate. And some people are okay with taking a lot of small losses because they have the mental fortitude to, understand that, more small losses and fewer big winners can still be profitable. But as a new trader and, typically speaking, your average person, they just can't handle taking loss after loss after loss after loss. You just really start to lose hope, and you start to, just wonder, why am I even trying to trade if I'm just going to take, all these losses and never get a winner? Even though you are still achieving wins, you just feel like you are always losing. All right, we are at the end of the year. And as I said from the beginning, this did turn out to be an over trader. But let's tally up the score here and see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we are at 34 trades. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 winners. And so that will not meet the 60% win-loss ratio that we are looking for. As I said, earlier in a few parts of this video, it seems to be catching some really reasonable moves, like right here. Like right here is a pretty decent one. Right here is a pretty decent one. But it eats you up in all of these losses that just keep bouncing you in and out. It eats away at your account, and it eats away at your mentality. And so, unfortunately, it appears at this point that the accumulation distribution indicator is not going to work for us. So we are going to put it on the no list and move on from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.